Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain American Express Gold Card cash advances. A cash advance allows you to withdraw cash using your credit card, similar to a debit card, but with significant differences. It's crucial to understand that this option comes with substantial costs, making it generally an unfavorable choice for accessing funds. We'll delve into why it's often considered a last resort and what financial implications you should be aware of before considering one. When considering an American Express Gold Card cash advance, be aware of the costs. You'll face a transaction fee of 5% of the amount withdrawn, with a minimum of $10, whichever is greater. Crucially, interest starts accruing immediately, with no grace period. The annual percentage rate for cash advances is quite high, typically around 29.24%, making it a very costly way to borrow money. Beyond the immediate fees, cash advances can harm your credit score by increasing your credit utilization. This signals higher risk to lenders. Instead, explore more affordable options like a personal loan, which often has lower interest rates, or a balance transfer if you're consolidating debt. Ultimately, establishing a robust emergency fund is the best way to prepare for unexpected expenses without incurring high-cost debt. To summarize, using your American Express Gold Card for a cash advance should be a last resort due to the high fees and immediate, elevated interest rates. Always take the time to understand your card's specific terms and conditions for cash advances. Prioritizing responsible credit card use, exploring all other financial avenues, and maintaining a healthy emergency savings account will serve your financial well-being much better in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.